Live your life by getting rewarded. Easiest $5 to make, ever. Testing the newest games and applications and taking surveys can be a fun way to earn money online with Monetastic. You can also make easy money by posting on social media from a Monetastic platform. There is no limit to how much money you can make. The more fun you have, the more money you earn. There are many companies that hire people to test their games and applications. You don't need to do any research to find companies, cause Monetastic is definitely your go-to platform. How does it work? Step 1. Sign up and earn $5 as a bonus. Step 2. Watch their tutorial video and check out how easy it is to make money. Step 3. Choose which tasks you are comfortable with and start earning. Monetastic is the perfect representation of the side hustle. Make use of your spare time to achieve more. On Monetastic you don't need to request approval to join us. Sign-up process is the fastest and easiest it could be. And the best part of Monetastic, no investments or any specific skills are required. That's right. You don't need to spend any money on tools, media, or services to get your returns. Once you join our community, there is an A to Z guide on how to start working with our platform. Claim great bonuses. Keep up the great work and earn points for that. Collected points could be exchanged for premium gifts. Instant cash out are made through PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin, Zelle, Revolut. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below.